kum ka Jingpule lat ya ki Samla bat ki kimi ki pa ha ka jala Meghalaya bakin yo Shai ki bakumno ki lan Jingpule bat ki Jakapule bat ki Samla kin chimrai ka SAPE event but media private limited kala Wanrah hado palat Southpole ki college bat ki university ha ka education fair ka balas dang ha ka South Rek ujalleo araja arpusan ya kini ke education fair ka bakan top ya ka admission but career fair la penlong ha Vivanta Hotel Shillong but la shim benta da ki college but ki university na keleng ki jilla kari India bakan top na Bangalore, Delhi, Pune, Chennai, Gwalior, Kolkata but Guwahati na lor ki weipat Hagajing kran ba Sanjay Thapa founder but managing director ulaong bagathong jong ke education fair ka long ba ki Samla kin yojing tip ki Shai Shapang ki Jakapule ki Jingsiu but ki wei ki Donkam.
So I just want to tell all the viewers the why this education fair is important. Especially our northeast, even in the Meghalaya, the students they don't get proper informations, and when we don't get proper informations, the most of the time what happens, students they get into the wrong decisions, and when the students make a career decision, they go to the college. It's very important. They will make only once in a lifetime to take one career decision. So this education fair helps students and the parents to make a right decisions. When the students and the parents come to these exhibitions, they'll be able to interact the colleges, university directly, all across the India, right from Bangalore to Delhi, then the Calcutta, then the Gwalior, you name it, Chennai. So sitting at one place at this Vivanta, you'll be able to understand the college informations and what are the careers are available. So in this exhibitions, total 40 universities are participating, right from Chennai to I said that Gwalior, then Bangalore, the Pune, then then you have Kolkata, then you have Guwahati. So all the colleges, university, they are coming here, and the people, those who come here from the university, they are directly from the university. So you are receiving a first-hand information that is very important for students and parents, to take their career decisions. So today, we have a good response. Already we have around 70 students is already here. So we are expecting by 5 o'clock, we may be getting around 200 to 300 students. So I'll request all the students and the parents from the Shillong, so make this opportunity as possible and come to this fair. This fair is going to happening here today and tomorrow, and timing is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I request all of you, those who are looking at this channel, all the students and parents, please make sure that you come here. This is an information center, and I'm sure if you visit this exhibition, you'll be able to benefit.
Hakawaypat ka liang nalor ki waypat ki lan Jingpule ka don ka Royal Concord Aviation Academy Bangalore ka bapli lat ya ki Samla ban pule pentebet ban yokam haki lengsun kata kum ki pilot but flight attendant usudhi mon Chief Operating Officer ula penshai bakum ka academy kala wan Shillong na dusnam arajar khatnyo bat kila yo lat ban hikai bon ki Samla haki ni ki lan Jingpule bat haba kila dap ki yo ban trai haki lengsun om tang ha India Henry Shabari ru kumjo.
My name is Sudhi. I belong to Royal Concord Aviation. We are an aviation academy with training related to cabin crew. It's flight attendant training. So we are in Shillong. I did visit in the past, in the year 2017-18. It was a great experience with students interacting in the location of Shillong. So we did have a lot of students approaching us, and we did a lot of training in regard to the cabin crew training, and they're successfully working across Pan-India and abroad as well. Okay. Now we are here to introduce our training session in regard to pilot training as well as the flight attendant training international. So that's why we are here. And the program what we have here, a lot of footfalls are there, a lot of people are approaching, and the students are very keen to know about pilot training. That is something need of the moment. So we are here to brief them. Even we are here on a Sunday at a M-Ground Hotel to brief people of Shillong about aviation segment, what are the career opportunities. Basically, highest priority would be in regard to pilot training as well as the flight attendant training. So this is something which we are looking forward. We had approximately 11 students enrolled from the Northeast. So basically, they are all joined with us, completed the training of 6 to 8 months, and they successfully joined as a flight attendant in the international segment. They're doing great. They're doing a good amount of salary, and they're settled down in life. So we would like to give more of this opportunity to the people of Shillong, because I understand Northeast, the job requirement and the ratio of people getting into the job is very less. But we are based out of Bangalore, and we do have an amazing infrastructure there. So we can share the video to you as well. If at all you're willing, you can even put it across your channel. So that's something that in the moment I would say you should must come and meet us. Everybody should be here at least to get to know about us more. So we'll be there to assist you, especially the new generation, to empower their career.
So we are coming since 2015. So the response from Shillong people are very good. They are showing interest in different courses. They are showing interest in hospitality sector, aviation sector, hotel management. So these sectors is very, very popular in Shillong. So students from Shillong already passed out from our college, which is Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. And they are already placed in different sectors in the hospitality industry. So we are happy to come again and again in Shillong, as the Shillong people are really looking forward to study in Kolkata. I'm from Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, Kolkata, under GIS school.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai khandiat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam badon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Wanrah shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.